before TJ was say fuck up in here,
Yes.
remember, we have the man who say, just fuck up the rental them and done.
And done.
Yeah,
Right there, so.
yeah.
Yeah. Dragon is a madman. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you ever so much for continuing to be here with us. This is the Upper Night Show. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you check out their Instagram page for all their weekly events. Tonight, them have a
Gallerones.
party.
Tonight is Gallerones.
Gallerones.
See, right to Granaries.
HQ
You know, says
edition.
HQ Gallerones tonight, people. So,
Yeah.
journey for that one day. Right this way I go.
We're gonna pass
Right
through
at
the more-
Granaries in
yeah.
Croydon. So, you know that one day is all about the bad party. See,
Right.
Gallerones in Granaries. Yeah.
Right. And on a weekly basis, we bring to you special
And remember, next
people.
week,
Sorry.
before we move on,
Yes.
next week, you know, it's all about Black Night Gallerones. Same place, same location, same parties. So, people check out that one day. Seeing Granaries
Right.
nightclub.
And on a weekly basis, you don't know, so we bring to you some special people. And this week is like no other. There's a young man. I'm going to say young man because him, you look fairly young.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And we've seen him on social media. He's brought to the fore space via a viral video. And, you know, we see it and we say, yeah, that boy, him have a vibe. 1Biggs done is in the building. Greetings, my G.
Yes, man.
And thank you for joining us here
You're welcome.
on the Upper Night Show. How are you?
I'm okay.
You
How are
good?
you?
Straighten up the voice box if we know.
I'm
Talk up in the mic, the talkaphone.
You know, some good though.
That we want here now. You're good?
Yeah.
How is the UK treating you so far?
It's treating me lovely.
Here you know.
Like, man,
Accident.
accident already.
You catch it.
Alright.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, go on with yourself.
Yeah.
What's the purpose of you being in the UK? Let's start it from there.
I have a variety of shows. I had a show in Birmingham.
Mm-hmm.
Had a show in London. I have a show in Sheffield, Bristol, and Leicester. So it's a small tour.
You're on a UK tour.
Yeah.
Yes. Has it completed or you still have a few shows
I have
on
a
that
few- I
tour?
have a few shows.
You have a few more shows to do.
Yes, yes.
And I mean, how is the experience? Because is this the first time you come into the UK?
Yeah.
How is the experience for you
It's great.
as a visitor one and as an artist
yeah.
performing?
It's great. It's great. What I expect, I get. And the people them love me. And for the people them love me, come out, come support me. We love that and we respect that.
Cool, no man. And
Yeah.
and you were saying that the people them love it. The reception to your performance
Yeah.
has been a good one.
Yeah.
Seen. We obviously know you for Boy Affy. Is that the title of the song? Is that the proper title of the song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy Affy.
Yeah.
When you first did that viral video,
Mm-hmm.
shout out to what's their name? OPT?
OTP.
OTP. If anybody doesn't know, there are set up guys who goes around to in the parishes of Jamaica. You know, run a rhythm, ask a man for chop some spit some lyrics on the beat them. And Biggs Don got the opportunity. Did you know who they were before they approached you? You
My
knew.
name got school.
Oh, okay. A chest of them forward from
Yeah.
Mandeville.
Yeah.
So you're. Go ahead.
Me and one of them go school.
Okay.
But me know the rest of them long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you knew what the script. You know what the
Yeah,
scripts
yeah,
was.
yeah.
So is it that you had these lyrics pre-prepared before
From 2020.
from 2020?
That's just all I'm gonna look a song them time them I put together. Just pick and just,
One, two.
yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just. So did you get the rhythm before they approached you?
No,
It was.
they just pull up on people. It's just a thing. That's why it's interesting. Cause random people in the town
Right.
and just freestyle. But me know of it, you know.
Okay.
I always hide from it too, you see me?
So them catch you off guard.
You know, sense. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I realized this song was getting like really, really viral is when I see Andrew Tate do a review of this song.
Yeah.
And everybody know Andrew Tate worldwide.
Mm-hmm.
One of the most controversial figures
Yep.
right now in the 2020 scene.
Yeah.
I'm a bridging to man.
And first, him say like, do you realize, and him explain his song in English to everybody, man say, yo, He Rolex pan the wrist in my boss and him say, yo,
Right.
fucking hell, this guy don't even have a Rolex. With a flip-flop.
Yeah,
And
bro.
him bring it down then, we see him roll out the beast. That is the Bugatti.
Yeah.
And him that plate in a hand where I say, blood clot. Big time gone I know. See that?
Him actually buy a song from me still. You know?
And then the plate where him a play in a Bugatti.
Yeah, bro. The dog great, my man. The dog should both piece of food too.
And how does that make you feel seeing an I'm going to consider him
Bro,
to
him
be
man
an
in my WhatsApp, bro.
International person.
international personality.
Him man, him a text like couple days
Brethren.
ago. Me I wonder what is like 108 this and that. But you know, a great youth, you just have to just live with greatness, bro. Me get used to it now in a one way. You see me? At first it is weird, good weird.
Yeah.
You see me? Cause
Yeah.
I never get them thing. Yeah.
Hard to imagine that.
I feel like a prank more. I mean, I wonder if the whole world have on camera for me.
But
you
this
know?
is what I appreciate about you. No matter, I mean, Andrew Tate, as big as Andrew Tate is, your humility surpasses everything else, and that's what I respect about you. Meeting you in person for the first time, seeing you on other platforms, but your humility.
Let's
It's
speak
to be
about
commended.
humility for a while because at one point in Jamaica, people are say, yo,
You did I?
you're now all no levels.
Now I make you.
Because at one point, there was a video come out. I don't know if a girl was giving a hide in a car about area. You know?
You have to see that video.
At one point, I go out with be a fucker.
Bro, I'm sure y'all got
Yeah.
it.
Tell me what.
Yeah,
Tell us
yeah.
what happened.
The day, man. The day there. The day there is like me. The day there was a bad day. So me
That
drink.
was a bad day.
Yeah, the day there was a bad day.
One day a good day.
No, bro, the day there was a bad day, man. For real. Fun and joke aside. And me do drink. Me there drink and I just ball and a drink, bro. I drink up one bottle of liquor by myself.
You
No.
were literally crying.
Yeah. I'm there play game. Me there play Grand Theft and just kill people. Kill police and just a ball. For real, you know?
The right place I kill him.
Yeah, but of course, what I can do, me can't, you see
Right
me?
place.
So, Grand Theft, I mean, I drink the liquor, Kingston 62, I love when the Kingston 62, but jaja. And then, it's like night come down, and then I go buy for food for my family,
Right.
like I go buy dinner, and me and my girlfriend go out. And then, I'm there on the live now, you know, me drunk, you know, I mean, I enjoy myself, I'm there on the live, and me I give one bag of joke and everybody on the live I give me an energy then one little yes man say sitting bro. I mean I say you know me first you know so I say fool I'm telling you me I buy my family dinner right now you come call me something
Yeah, I want to
style.
come with sometime.
Yeah bro when I see through me intoxicated one at a time and then dog it just feel a weird dog cause man, you can't happy for me bro. It just be weird bro come here say oh. There, everybody enjoy themselves, everybody laugh, and go on. So why you have to just come mash up? And the man say, when you say earth, my brother, you see me? So me I say, re. So me I say, me I buy me dinner, re. Me I say, babes. So me woman I say, nah, better than a girl in the room.
What did he say? What did he say, if you can remember?
Me?
No, what did
the person say
I
to you that chipped you?
I swear to God, me no remember more. I there I try to remember all of that.
What you call you Gilden?
No man. Don't call me Gilding. I'm 19, you know, bro.
What is an axe?
No man, I'm not Gilding, man.
19.
You how much?
19.
No?
Yeah, dog. So you see me I say no. You see me I say. I mean, I'm a carrying a friend. I might carry me now.
Aye.
Last year, I could have found 50. I mean, I might carry. I mean, I buy me
You
dinner.
got now 50 lah.
I buy me dinner.
For you and your family.
I want
And a
me pay more.
man come chat foolishness.
Everybody I give me good energy. But you see, through me corrupt, I like. Well, I like where I live. You see me?
Yeah.
So I just, you see me, but one life and a rare, bro. One bag of things I say, babe, something.
So what are they?
So,
Well,
From that experience.
just to clarify.
No, listen.
Wait.
You
You
have
see,
to
through
say.
me is a man where, when I, you know, me can,
Yes, you can swear. Go ahead.
he's a fucker, man. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Fucker, man.
We know, man. We watch
Yeah.
your life right
Fucker, man.
along.
Yeah.
Right
So,
through.
you know me, I say, I want to tell you, yes, man. You see me, I buy my family dinner. I bet you can't buy Sunday dinner tomorrow. But
Yeah.
you want to dip on my life, I discriminate. Go get your bread up, man. Yeah, yes, man, you dip on man life, I talk about man. I want to tell you, I say, I'm a woman there, so side of my babe. Something. But mom's not do nothing.
She not do nothing.
fucker, man.
Did
But-
mom? That's why I asked if moms did do it.
He just said no.
No,
You never
bro,
did.
come
Okay.
on.
Me
This
just
him
ask.
and this, me understand.
No, me not this. Me just ask because
No,
remember,
bro, I just fuck
She
your
did.
man.
I
man.
was one of the people who was watching the live.
Probably
so
you comment, you know.
me, no, I
Probably
never
you
me.
comment.
Anybody comment? Remember, me not on a fake page, you know. I want to me have. So that's what me I say. I just want to know because at that point I was convinced. Say fuck we are going because remember after that.
But
the
you
comment
don't think
section-
a man have girls so good pan life, bro.
Remember when I was goal got a couple years before. So
Judge.
yeah.
Nah, man, I never that, man.
But I mean, how do you feel at 19 years old? And I mean, congratulations.
Bro, more I feel like me do for boss dog. Too much corruption, bro.
You're talking a code now. You have to decode that for the people in Panda Life. What do you mean by that statement?
I feel like them people are just bring me down. Cause watch now. Alright, me wrong. I accept that.
And you're speaking about that specific live
No,
or
well,
people in general.
yeah. You
Alright,
see that
go
live
ahead.
there now,
Yeah.
too. You did wrong, man. You did wrong. You never look
It's a fresh live. Leave it as
but,
them.
but you see, me can't come tell you, say, I throw me this stress out. I feel drink up this, but I look like a little fool. But I just like for you live, bro.
But
Me come on the life phone and give me good energy, you know, come and hurt me, bro. Me hurt, brother. I shame,
and
brother.
at the end of the day, you're human. But what I'm saying is, at the age of 19, you're on your first UK tour.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of other up forwarding artists at this moment,
99% of them.
them
Just stop it now, man. Just stop
them
it now.
can't reach out a policy that's
So
strict.
just stop it.
You
man.
understand?
99.99999999999.
We have to give you a big congratulations and that big congratulations to you and the team who are
But I said
supporting
And,
you.
and for our next credit as well, like I don't know if you realize
Did you say no?
like the new trend that's going to run because you realize everybody want to be dancer again. And remember a fear song,
Yo.
change a beat. Remember,
Yo.
make a fuck up in them somebody there.
Aye.
You realize?
Like how
So
Jagan
I'm just
does.
saying.
Me I wonder if nobody
Nobody
really
approve.
see that, you know, cause
Alright.
me I see them.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
So may I ask you if,
Yo.
if you recognize it, is
I
your
know-
song kind of change the ball
Change the
game?
game.
Everybody's got skank
Remember
again.
say La Boss them never dance. Remember say La Boss them
Remember
a
the
dance.
BPA dance that go
La
on?
Boss Bilal dance dog a stay so. Me rate it too. Everything what them a do now and me and Marksman. You can't live out Marksman, you know.
Big up
Yeah.
Marksman
And
too.
me and Marksman
Big up
set
to
them.
Marksman.
All of them
Yeah.
artists, my friend them.
Yeah.
My friend them, me no want to get it wrong. Me no,
Your friend
I
them.
swear to God I'm a friend them.
Yeah.
No corruption. But none of them artists, yeah, where I see. Me not say no, we are the real, we not. But me never hear none of them say it yet. I'm a friend them, I say, bro, I if you give you little strength, man. Give you 2 little pints then. Cause we do enough. Enough, man. Every man me say a dance on stage, no. First time a performance, bro. No man
From
me
left
na-
to right.
Bunch
yeah.
of alone, man.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
in
A
terms
ding
of
dong
song,
alone used to
in
do
terms
them.
of song and melody and like what people can because I'm a permanent DJ, I'm out there and I analyze the music in a sense. Where I see in terms of song and beats and like lyrics what the song is saying, me can link a few songs together and you can wrong me. You can tell me if I'm wrong.
Mhm.
So I see your song, yeah. Gone pan it to, you know, look at that song, the BPM, the rhythm, the drum set, and you can look on TJ
The
song.
drum
I make a
pattern.
fuck up in here,
Drum
and
pattern.
then you can look on hey, we are mad. You still
Nice,
have that
man.
same. Hold on is different because you have but you have a similar drum pattern. You see, if you take out a few like a snare out and a few little kick, it's similar.
All right,
And something like that, what may I say, is like everybody is under like a thing there. And then remember Ding Dong always under like a thing there because you are one of them where we kind of pioneer a thing to say, yo,
come from? Where him
bad
come
man,
St. Mary.
bad man can do
tell that.
a little dance.
There you tell that.
Because like an idea, what may I say, is like when you change the thing because people know Ding Dong as a prominent dancer.
Yeah.
And when Ding
yeah.
Dong sang them a dance, all one skank to them. But uno now, as a new bad man artist or new young
everybody-
artist them, everybody.
Me have
I
one
know
thing
bad,
to say.
yeah.
Want something to say?
Every rock now. You know hear it? Every rock I come out now. Me not have to say nothing else.
Be a big stone.
Every rock.
All right.
I'm Pebble.
Me can't get the little 3 points there.
Take it.
Alright, what-
Take
alright.
it 3 points.
No,
Watch
no,
it,
look
man.
on it now. Every me no want to look like me a pre-corrupt.
Right,
Me happy
right.
for every man, you know. You
Yeah.
see, Al Najiri, me don't mind no call him over here, making kick out them teeth.
Yeah, man, big up Najee.
Yeah, but every rock.
It's
Well-
based on.
What the Bob Walk?
Next topic.
No,
yeah.
Bob Walk different.
No, Bob Walk
But
bad.
that's still Biggs done. Inspire the Bob Walk the first
The
year,
rock.
so to you know.
The rock.
Every rock. you
All
cut.
right.
Go ahead, Brett.
You see next, yeah, some face. When they call out. Me that watch it, I'm surprised. Cause the intro you get, me never expect that. And since you shout out, oh that energy they
Yeah.
make you feel. You also know it a lot, but when they reach out there, they say that this is
the
where
amount of-
artists will
Yeah,
have 1 million songs up on stage. And at the same short time as well. Not like I say, like year after.
Thank you, my father. Whenever they not get, they not
The-
meds,
them
they
not-
like a
they're-
thing
they're
there,
not-
bro.
the timelines. How? Yeah. So
More of the timeline.
Bro, me do some, alright, me do ER. We are go back to some face, you know.
yes.
Me do ER Friday, you know. I do on stage Saturday, you know. Nobody never do that.
Yeah.
Nah, so me is not the best. Me not,
But
just
the
please,
opportunities,
me feel good,
yeah.
bro.
In the
Yeah.
short time, there's
Yeah.
a lot of things where you gain than some man I work
All right.
20 years. I'm
Sorry,
not calling name.
sorry to interrupt you guys, but I just need to prove a point. All right. This is your rhythm.
Nah, man. Like,
Yeah.
Don't say nothing yet.
See it? You see it?
Don't say nothing.
So
Stop
it's,
it now,
it's
man.
just
Stop
a
it.
few little thing come out. So
Stop
anybody
it.
who
Why
don't
you
know
hold
music
it? Hold it for a
and
few.
certain little thing, like
Dragon.
you could
Dragon.
see it's a tempo
Dragon.
refix
Dragon.
and a few little thing come
Dragon.
out. That's why I say
Corruption,
the word vibe.
Dragon.
And not corruption, but I'm just saying
The man
it's
I
the
forgot
pre-
Jamaica
we,
back
we
then.
have to identify
Yeah,
where, you
Dragon.
know.
Dragon. Remember say the man now on video, you know, of an artist and a problem already, you know. I need to sing a song again.
I me say it.
I never him.
I never.
Alright, so with the Sunfest thing, yeah, when they perform on that day, the end, before, during, and after, what was your experience from people, like everything?
Bro, my whole place, you know, you never get crowned in your place too, you know. But the whole place, bro, remember, like, me I watch some fest this year, I see artists, them a come out, me one day, if I see him, energy then get. The whole place, a man, different man. Oh, if me want anything, if me want 100,000 a day, then
You get
just
it. You get it. Yeah.
uncle, the whole place, I say,
And you know what worked too, cause the fact that at the same week, essentially them get the Rolex them though. So
Yeah.
it's like them
It
I say,
works.
we gonna make it work.
Works, it works. But then again, even though people would have said, oh, because of the whole Rolex thing, Shensia is using you.
Don't
But
make a difference.
It doesn't make a difference. Publicity for you
I just told me
and
never.
it's a strength.
Me never have no whole heap of song to have a performance.
Exactly.
With the affiliations.
But then you're very grateful
But
for the
you
opportunity.
forward and
at
get
the
when
end
you
of the day.
forget, like as me say,
Yeah.
No, me get paid for some person.
it don't really matter paid or not. The whole point
So I
is
may try to
the
show
whole
us
point. The whole point
It's
is
a big flip
No.
farm again because
once the
like,
flood.
at the end of the day, a Shensia bring you out and like
Sensia of one of the toughest female artists.
a lot of people kind of underplay Shensia game and the level Shensia is.
Yeah, me don't know why
Shensia
too.
is an international artist.
You all of them girls they was she parried a foreign look at
And
me, you know.
remember, I know.
So
You
it's
get
for
what me I
man.
say?
All right. So you see when Shensia call out to you, because remember, you was unheard of. You just have the one song you come from nowhere, and people say, "Bumbo that song you bad." And then when I think when I do the official mix of the song, because it was that riff between you and the original maker of the beat.
Hey, good on you know that. About the corruption, isn't me? The man tell me say in November before me could drop a song, and only way me could drop a song if I him the panny. So we say, alright, steel chest. Billy Rhythm, steel chest, Billy Rhythm. Me never
And
like
Steel,
it.
let's for clarity, Steel Trust is your friend.
Yeah. Huh?
Who?
What do you mean I steel chest kick off and see me right now with
Blood.
me?
Oh no, guys. Wait.
Steel chest.
Wait.
It's oh.
Just for hold on, ladies and
Hold
gentlemen,
on.
want to make sure so I get the
But
story
the joke,
correct.
the joke. The original rhythm, I ain't Billy.
No.
No,
No.
the one for the freestyle?
Yeah.
No,
No.
in Billy.
That's
No.
why I'm glad to say what you say, because I don't want you say it and then link on a good and when I see that way I say. So the next rhythm, Billy.
Yeah, steel
No,
chest.
no,
Bill-
the
Billy
original
Refix.
rhythm is a owned by a next man from a next country who
Right.
me don't know about.
Okay.
So you say England idea, so I'm going to find over here though. So
No, me don't know, man.
So give us the story.
Him say, Ray, and we have a sue, we have a lawyer, Ray. We take down every video. Mr. Bossy. In all intelligence, I didn't voice on
your rhythm.
your rhythm.
Right.
It's a public YouTube rhythm,
Right.
and we freestyle the whole world up on YouTube for freestyle on your rhythm, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Me never go in on a vice and vice or something, sir.
Right.
So me no know. You feel me a fool? Not to Jamaica we come from, sir.
So you educate the man
Me
on that.
educate him a little bit. You see me?
Right.
All right, and him.
You know, we happen.
And now things are
But,
sorted.
to be honest, Steel Chest, you did a good job on the refix.
No, we
But as what me I say,
Not a riff.
original
it's a
rhythm. It bada. It
No,
bada.
no, and a bad I know. You
No,
know
no,
what?
no.
No,
Right,
yes,
it
and a
bad.
bad
I hate we used to.
I just the groove. I hit with
It punchy. It more punchy.
Jagan.
It more punchy.
Ladies and gentlemen, for people who are wondering, Steel, I'm gonna call it Steely. Steely is in the
Steel
building.
Chest.
She
Steel
alone
Chest. Don't
can
say
call it that.
Steel because Steel is a producer already.
Oh,
Don't-
Steel
yeah.
Chest. Oh yes, that's true. Thanks for the correction.
This is
He's
Steel.
actually in the building, so you're hearing his voice in the scene.
Alright.
Can I say that
You know,
word?
you
Yeah.
know what, Jagan? It's not, 'cause if him make the rhythm first,
Yeah.
and the same rhythm play, and do the next rhythm, I say, for the fact that we used to that rhythm for a
You
couple
would hate
months,
him.
for a good couple months, well, you see me? So,
But the thing was that the other beat was cool and laid back, but he never have the dancer.
Kick, kick. Yeah.
Yeah, you have a different kick,
And
man.
you realize that when I voiced this song, he said to me like,
Forward this so come make the people them see your face. Talk about
alright,
that.
so basically he
Okay,
came
I'll
to
see
this.
my camera there for me, please.
Alright, so basically
Yes.
when he came to the studio, we had like what 2. I built the rhythm the first time. Yo, steal him, and I like that song cartoonish. So we kick that out. and we come back a second time, and it had a groove, but
we
we
never.
still never like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go the third time and kick it and say steal it. Yeah man, I hit this. So at the end of the day, what I had to do, like the flow, Rolex, it was too laid back. So I had to give it, when it came to the, me able to lift the pitch little and give him the style, and it had the Rolex back, and then we kick it again in
Yeah,
terms of
Rolex,
the chops and giving the dancers, and it worked.
All right. So
It had to take, it took like, what I had to do for make the song work in, lead the song like,
a professionalism that man, don't worry.
like 2 weeks.
We get to the
We
other
leaked the
story.
we leaked the song, so I had to put it on Spotify and me take it off back again and kick back the real thing. Cause they had to get used to the
New,
refix
yeah.
before.
all right. So
Give
this is
thank-
your
give
beat.
thanks for the update.
This is your beat. This is the original. I want people hear the difference. So people, this is original right now. Seeing. And we're gonna compare both of them, yeah?
We can DJ
See,
for the
it-
rhythm.
Hold on.
Hold on,
I don't
hold
want
on,
you to-
hold on.
Yeah, hold on, my general.
And
Hold
this
on.
is original. This is Steel Chester beat, yeah? Alright. So which one you think more punchy? This is original.
Yeah.
This is Steely one.
But you can clearly hear the difference.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you know the reason
Yeah.
why it was
Yeah.
done.
But at the same time, it was recorded
Because
originally.
it was done by
different
copyright
audio.
infringement.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
understand and we know like sometime when you used to something and like we would call it a refix would never sound the same as the original or something that you used to. Yeah. But
Yeah.
anyway, Biggs done.
Yeah, bro.
More talk about that little thing now. Like there was a little rift between you and your family about a car.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. What going on with
A
that?
prank, man. A prank.
It was a
Dog,
prank.
I'm a mad boy, man. I swear upon my mother.
Eh.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, I never crash. One time I ever crashed in my life when I got Marco Polo. I did do a show the night before. Briscoe can't tell you. That's
Yeah.
Briscoe now. Briscoe did do a show. We're gonna make a so Rebel can't tell you too. And then the night after we not sleep the day after me
So
come
you were
from.
tired?
Yeah, me not sleep at all and me go do a bag of things, you know? Yeah, so
Yeah.
you see me, so when I got Marco Polo, I drop asleep the night there.
Don't watch it.
So,
No,
drug,
Mobi.
Mobi, Marco Polo,
Marco Polo.
Mobi.
Yeah. I'm watching there keep,
No,
but
watch it there keep.
Mobi me crash. Cause me there want show me there
Yeah.
want Mobi a jerk face or something like that.
No, Marco Polo was
Ochi.
Ochi race.
But he
Yeah,
crashed
but
in
Mobi a
Mobi.
jerk face the
Yeah.
night. This
Right.
So,
So, Dragon, we're going to do a breaking transmission.
Well, a current question. It's when you did this King video, yeah? Yeah. That no. Like me personally think like obviously that's the other people so in a video, but choose a video of a situation. You get enough look up. When you get a couple of DMs about that still differently. What you the situation there?
This king of my dog, man. This king of my dog. What me I gonna do? So because of that, me I go down there with me that time me just shoot Big Jack video too, you know.
Okay.
You know, say I shock how them deal with that. So you know, we did that one place, 2 hours vice one song the same day. Why I not go shoot? But I don't know.
No corruption.
Well, if corruption did them, I don't know. But
Yeah, because
Is
the
it?
black of them just say, but the black of them are wicked. You know.
Money them and look my father, man. Stop it now, man.
Is it because you have Bristol and you have Sheffield and you have Leicester for do? You can't sing off the whole of your song them in general.
All me gonna say.
The people them have to pay them
Money.
Them have to pay them dirty money for come forward and say 1Biggs done. Perform. All-Star fix the talk of phone for me now, please. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 19-year-old young man out of the parish of Manchester.
Country.
We can go Mandeville, no?
Mandeville in a city now. No leave me.
In the city of
What them have
Mandeville,
light?
Manchester, Jamaica, the West
Everything
Indies.
See,
1Biggs done, big up yourself in the general.
No
Listen,
flow,
Thank
no
you
flow.
ever so much for passing through. Big up to Trey Star and the family.
Oh, God, man.
You're destined.
All me
That's
have
all
to
we
say,
can say.
all me have to say though, yeah, like all of the things they just is a one
It's
star.
a one-hit wonder.
No, but you might want a song, but obviously that's not the biggest song.
Yes.
But this show say, you have tune, you have lyrics.
And
No,
he's
I-
a
You just
performer.
need for us
Between me and
put
honest,
out the
yeah.
song them.
Me have more unreleased than when I drop a register. You know.
So when...
It's an EP where they are really
Right,
work
so-
on. So you see them, the EP, yeah? I feel like more name me for every last song. Because I'm not drop no song. You see, so them I match up for every song when I drop.
So is that the title of the EP?
Every last
Every-
song.
so,
Me no
every
know.
last
But all me
Me
have
no
to do,
know
yeah,
still yet. but
Jagan might not say it, but what me I gonna say, yeah, this is on live, right? The camera is there. So going forward, up on live show, like pretty much most exclusive plus dub plate plus any plate we want to give it. So Steely and you can start out on anybody else.
We will work things out in the
No,
in
but
the behind the scenes.
no, this is the contract one live. Leave me alone.
Yeah, so
Leave me alone.
people can see that we're having this conversation on live. It's recorded and it will be posted to our
Yes,
YouTube
I'm
channel.
a
And
post
he has
pan-
it on his phone as
I'm
well.
gonna post, but I'm gonna tell him if we don't get
Yes.
it by tomorrow. No, true, but
Calm
yes.
down, son. Calm down.
what you say
But-
you want me, God?
No worry. You don't worry yourself. You'll be told at the appropriate
Appointed time.
Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, as we said, we're far over the hour. There are two things I would like you to do.
Give them lighter.
Hold on, no, man.
Jesus.
You want to come take over? Sure?
I'ma tell you how I feel.
What?
Can I
Give everybody your social media details for people who are not following you yet.
1Biggs done, 1Biggs done, 1Biggs done.
Right
1Biggs
across the board.
done.
Double
1Biggs
G.
done.
Actually, three things. That's
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
first one.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Spell it.
1BIGGSDON. You can get me on TikTok, Instagram, no Facebook, no
YouTube.
Snapchat, just TikTok and
Yeah.
Instagram.
And then the second thing I wanted to do now, Uncle Ives, yes. Second thing I wanted to do for us,
Yo.
shout out to your management team and your tour.
Yo,
people,
you have my dad. He's Word Entertainment.
Yeah.
You have Steel Chest Entertainment. You have. Oh God, me can't even.
Big up Trey Star. Trey Star.
No, we are not.
Oh,
You
sorry.
have Chris.
Yes.
You have Trace.
Yeah.
You know this. You have.
You have too much people.
All right, hold on there. One
Too
more
much
if-
people
one more
on
if I do though, yeah. So is that camera there?
And big up Marks man too. Don't.
Is that camera there? So when I say big up a line show, get a look quick, we call it drop.
Rolex pan, you sit a bus down, you know, Biggs done in a man. I'm see you up on live show. You know something come down. Shut a boy and a girl. No.
Yeah. And then the last thing, Bread's made it a fourth. When you give it a acapella or the lighter for one of these.
Okay. Ready?
Uncle, I zoom in from Big Zon for a second. Let me him just want focus on that
Yes.
part. Yeah, done. It's fully done.
Up on live, I'ma tell you how I feel. Yeah, girl in the dance up a feel like wow. Cherry pie smoke, I'ma feel high now. You know see vibes loud. Give me the mic, bro. Have a stiff breast, girl snap a weave like bro. You know see a painting. Who she find out? Tell her so she need for their feet like no. Big mish, this a different league, my yacht. And me shot a man, me bumper ass clock, me lighter just drop. It party nice dog, me diva like talk. You know some me dark and I remember my park. Me want water, watch you girl a bubble dog. Oh my God, make sure I'm at the clock. You don't laps, don't tip on my clocks. You will get box, I'ma work for my own, so you can't give me charge.
that. Ladies and gentlemen, Big John was on the Open Life show today. Thank you ever so much for joining us. Thank you for passing through.
Yeah.
All the very best with the rest of the UK tour.
Yeah.
Make sure to follow up on my Instagram page and upon my YouTube channel. That is where you will find all our videos. Make sure that you're reminded that we're sponsored by the Granaries that is located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Head over there if you're in the South London area for tonight's event. Dragon All Stars can
People,
take
you
us
know
out.
what thing go? If you're in South London, remember, it's gallery rounds, you don't know, because when I go around, I've been seeing, you know, that's HQ thing, you know, that's HQ and Capo. So, like, you don't know, that's Granary's nightclub. So, people roll out for that one day. As what I say every week, love your brother, love your sister, let love rule in everything you do. Once I read a book in them, say brain poison, main power. Until next week. Yeah.
See you. Take care.
Cash on Monday, mass on Sunday. Yeah, cash in hand, cash on Monday. Yeah, man want beef, man want gunplay.